Hello, welcome guys. In this video, I'm going to show you here about help you through font size. That is absolutely to be satisfied with that. So you see the font size. The font size actually can be released through a text. So what you're gonna do is about to click here on the text over here and then type ABC for example. Now what about this one, as you can see, and then you can click on this one, and then as you can see you can start to have certain thing that is this progress, and then you can actually start to have a certain about that, and this is about to start to have a certain thing to be done. Set click on the text. Now what you're gonna do is about to click here on this one, and then start to see over here that say the font size is ready to be on the below the typograph on this progress. And that's all about help